Top 10 foods for regeneration of your liver. Our liver is one of the most versatile and vital organs in our body, constantly working to detoxify our blood, produce the enzymes we need to digest food and store energy. But as the saying goes, we are what we eat. So if we're feeding it junk, it's bound to cry out for help in the form of fatty liver disease. Welcome back to the Healthy Habitat, your go-to place for a wholesome lifestyle. Today, we're diving deep into the top 11 foods that are a boon for detoxifying that fatty liver. And hey, stay tuned for food number 10. It's not just great for the liver, but it's a power-packed food that'll surprise many of you. Food number 1, garlic. Starting off with one of nature's most potent foods, garlic. This isn't just your ordinary kitchen ingredient. Garlic boasts numerous health benefits, particularly for our liver. Rich in allicin and selenium, these compounds have been lauded for their ability to help activate enzymes within the liver that make detoxification possible. But there's more. The sulfur compounds in garlic aid in liver cleansing by stimulating the liver to produce detoxifying enzymes that help filter out toxic residues. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet not only enhances flavor, but also offers a natural way to give your liver an extra boost. Food number 2, turmeric. Often dubbed the golden spice, turmeric doesn't just add vibrant color and flavor to our dishes. Its active ingredient, curcumin, stands out in the realm of natural medicine. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, curcumin helps in guarding the liver against potential damage, stimulates the growth of new liver cells, and safeguards against harmful toxins. A sprinkle of this spice not only elevates your meals, but offers a holistic approach to liver wellness. Food number 3, leafy greens. Nature's green blanket, the leafy greens are a storehouse of nutrients. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and chard are rich in chlorophyll, nature's cleanser. Chlorophyll has the unique ability to neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides, offering relief to our overworked livers. Furthermore, the bitter compounds present in these greens stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion, especially of fats. Integrating these greens into your diet acts like giving your liver a revitalizing green juice treatment. Food number 4, green tea. Green tea, a beverage cherished across the world, is more than just a soothing drink. It's a health elixir. Loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea aids in liver function and fat metabolism. Studies have revealed that regular consumption can significantly reduce the risk of developing fatty liver diseases. So the next time you sip on this emerald brew, know that it's a toast to a healthier liver. Food number 5, beets. These deep red, earthy vegetables are nature's testament to vitality. Beets are abundant in compounds called betalains, powerful antioxidants with high anti-inflammatory properties. These not only help protect the liver from oxidative damage, but also stimulate its detoxifying enzymes. Moreover, the natural nitrates in beets boost blood flow, ensuring optimal liver function. Adding beets to your diet is like gifting your liver a protective shield. Food number 6, walnuts. While walnuts are popularly known to be brain food, courtesy of their peculiar shape resembling the brain, their benefits extend much beyond. Rich in amino acid arginine, walnuts aid the liver in detoxifying ammonia. The omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione present in them further assist the liver's cleansing process. Additionally, these nuts are rich in antioxidants, which helps maintain the health and integrity of liver cells. Including walnuts in your diet is not only a crunchy delight, but also a holistic approach to liver care. Before we delve into the next superfood, a quick heads up for our viewers. We've listed the bestseller recommended supplements like vitamins, fish oil, and multivitamins in the description box below. Check it out for a holistic approach to health. Food number 7, grapefruit. Grapefruit, with its invigorating citrus scent and tangy taste, is a wellspring of liver-loving nutrients. Renowned for its high content of vitamin C and antioxidants, grapefruit amplifies the liver's natural detoxification processes. It contains compounds that elevate the production of liver detoxification enzymes, ensuring toxins are neutralized and excreted more efficiently. Furthermore, studies suggest that naringenin, a flavonoid in grapefruit, can even help heal liver damage. Integrating grapefruit into your meals provides a burst of refreshment while nurturing your liver's health. Food number 8, apples. The humble apple, often celebrated as the epitome of health. But did you know beyond its crisp bite lies a plethora of benefits for your liver? Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that aids the liver in its detox processes. This natural component assists in the removal and excretion of toxins and cholesterol from the blood. Furthermore, apples are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, offering comprehensive support to liver function. Simply put, an apple a day is not just good for overall health, but it's a boon for the liver. Food number 9, olive oil. Olive oil, particularly the extra virgin variety, isn't just a kitchen staple, but a liver's ally. Its lipid base acts as a gentle cushion for the liver, providing it with essential fats that absorb harmful toxins. This process reduces the liver's stress, enabling it to function optimally. Additionally, olive oil's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties aid in protecting the liver from oxidative stress. Incorporating it into your meals not only enriches the taste, but ensures your liver gets the tender care it deserves. Food number 10, avocados. Avocados, often touted as nature's butter, bring a multitude of benefits to the table. This creamy fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients that foster liver health. One of its standout roles is aiding the body in producing glutathione, an essential compound for the liver to cleanse harmful toxins. Additionally, avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber, which further support liver function and health. Incorporating avocados into your meals not only enhances texture and flavor, but is a silent nod to promoting liver well-being. Food number 11, cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, are nature's detox specialists. Their rich content of glucosinolates supports enzyme production in the liver, promoting the elimination of carcinogens and other toxins. Additionally, these vegetables have been shown to halt the progression of liver disease and protect against liver cancer. Adding these crunchy delights to your diet not only adds variety to your meals, but ensures that your liver receives comprehensive detox support. Our journey through these incredible foods reminds us of the symphony between nature and our well-being. By embracing these gifts from Mother Earth, we're not just nourishing our bodies, but championing the health of one of our most vital organs, the liver. Remember, every bite we take is a step towards a healthier tomorrow. So make those choices count. If you found this video enlightening, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Habitat for more insights into a wholesome life. Until next time, embrace health, embrace life.